How to read files in JavaScript. We construct an HTML input element and give it type equals file. This one has multiple. That allows the user to select multiple files. That's optional. In JavaScript, we get a reference input element to that file input. Add a change handler with a callback. Handle files. When the user selects a file or deselects files, changes in any way the data associated with this file element, this callback fires. Event.target is the input element, and the files property is a file list object. If we don't have a file list object, there's no files property, or the length is 0, this guard clause gets us out of there immediately. So no further code in this function will be executed. Going on the assumption that we had a files property and we have a file API, we're going to construct a new file reader object using the constructor new file reader. We add an event listener to the file reader of load with a callback file read. We then call read as text on the reader, passing it file list 0. Under the assumption that if we have file list.length as non-zero, then we have a 0 property on there. The file read callback function console.logs the result. It's necessary for this API to be designed asynchronously because reading files will lock up the browser, even if only for a couple of milliseconds. Could be for a minute, it could be indefinitely if that file read fails. So it has to be asynchronous. So let's try it and see what happens. Click choose files. You guys can't see it. It's clipped from the subsection of the screen I have. Click open on that file and it instantly logs it to the console. Almost instant. It takes milliseconds. Now if I choose it again, what do you think is going to happen if I choose no file? Like, let's say I click cancel down here, but you guys can't see that button. What's going to happen now? What's going to happen is, well, nothing was logged to the console, nothing was changed, and we had file list.length was 0, so we just bailed out of there. That's how to read files in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.